The AirSense 10 AutoSet is a premium auto-adjusting pressure therapy device with an integrated humidifier, wireless communications, and advanced event detection. The user-friendly controls, intuitive interface, and color LCD screen make it simple to navigate menus and customize comfort settings. ResMed with sleep onset detection works by delivering a low pressure to help patients fall asleep with ease. Integrated humidification simplifies setting up the device and makes therapy easier for the user. Come to your senses with the AirSense 10 from sleepdirect.com.